Mike Hughes here. I'm at Neoprene with Henderson wetsuit products. They have a new material called Neoprene, which is 100% neoprene free, so it's not petroleum based. What it is based is on sugarcane shells and reused plastic bottles, recycled materials. And so it's just like a regular neoprene wetsuit, except that it doesn't have petroleum products. Also, when it does crush down, it's a little bit quicker to respond when it's going back to its normal size, and so that'll keep you a little bit warmer on your dives, especially over a long duration where neoprene has a tendency to crush and not expand again as it gets old. You may find a little grain with chlorine, but you will do that with a regular neoprene wetsuit as well. So it's a Neoprene by Henderson.com. If you want to look at that, it's a cool product. It feels the same as far as texture as a regular wetsuit, but if you have any allergies towards neoprene, then this is a wetsuit for you.